But even when thousands of years later man had learned to farm crops and animals, hunters and trappers were still important providers of meat. But hunting was important too for other reasons. The thrill of the chase and the kill had become a deeply ingrained part of the dominant male psychology.
Suffocate from breathing, amputate your heart. Don't you go and drown from dreaming, reaching for no star. Stop, stop, stop. High arrow fly. Star, star, star. Go ahead and amputate your heart.
He had no fears. His personal comfort and safety mattered little. The drive was to test his courage and his skills. For the first time, it was possible for a single hunter truly to dominate the animal world and the world of big game. But for many, this kind of hunting was beginning to be just a numbers game, far removed from the romance of the medieval hunt.